All right, guys, Screen Innovations, we are here at ISE, Hall 1, stand N80. Innovations is in our name, and it's been like that since the very beginning of this company. From 2008, when we originally developed it, this was the first really well-working ALR screen material on the planet, still unmatched to this day, and look at the image. Look at how amazing it is. What other screen manufacturer would actually put lights in their booth in order to show off their screen? In fact, if you look above, we have no shrouding, no ceilings, no nothing above this booth. And we have not turned the lights off in this area. Why did we do that? Because we wanted to show you how powerful our ambient light rejecting screen Black Diamond is. And this is the largest version of this Black Diamond, ability to go up to 76 inches tall or 150 inches diagonal. Now, what does this do for you, the customer? This allows you to place your screen in nearly any environment possible, regardless of the lighting conditions. If you have lights on in your room or windows off to the side, Black Diamond rejects that light and allows the light from the projector to be maintained for the contrast levels. You can see, when you look at this material, how dark the blacks really are. That is crucial for you because when you want to watch a screen and actually be immersed by the experience, the black levels and the contrast of the screen are extremely important. Black Diamond is unmatched in the industry in its ALR performance to date. We'd love to tell you more about this product. Go find us at screeninnovations.com.